Yo, what's good? Welcome back to krabstrades. Today we're going to be doing a quick trade recap of the trade that I took on live stream and AM session. Pretty much ended up taking this across 3 alpha futures 150k accounts. Ended up securing around 5.9k on these accounts today. And this was the one trade of the session that I took here. As you can see, pretty much what I saw here was my main drawn liquidity here above was this unfilled 4-hour gap above at 894. So higher time frame, I wanted to see price retrace towards that. Now when I was coming into the session, I was bearish and I did want to see this PPI low here, which was like that data low at 8:30 a.m. Wait, not 8:30. Oh yeah, my bad. 8:30 a.m. right there. So I wanted to see that after the 4-hour got rebalanced, but we did end up pumping. But that still didn't matter because I caught my move right here. So let's break down this trade. And this is how I caught a 1 and 2. So pretty much what I saw here was 10 a.m. right here. If we mark up the 10 a.m. candle. Right here, you can see we manipulated lower. So 10 a.m. there. You can see we opened up sideways first. We didn't really manipulate into anything significant that aligned with my draw or anything like that. We then made this run lower into this SMT as well as into this imbalance on the 15-minute, which we then rebalanced. After that, we had some displacement to the upside. And I did take my entry here off this 15-second inverse order block after getting that SMT put in. And I did miss my ideal entry, which would have been right here. So what I actually did was I waited on a retap of that inverse order block to then get in, which also aligned with bullish OTE of the range. If we pull up our fib right here, right there, perfect OTE rejection to the tick. So that's what gave me the confidence to also take it on the retap. It was also at OTE. Stop loss was placed at that SMT wick, protected low. Above, also looking at the internal price action, we had these stacked highs here. So we had a ton of orders sitting above these highs, and I wanted to see a run of that as well, which you can see we got beautiful candles to the upside after our entry. And you can see drawn liquidity was filled in right there, the imbalance on the 4-hour. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Pretty simple trade. The main things that I looked for here was first time, 10 a.m. manipulated lower. Second thing was the imbalance on the 15-minute, the unfilled gap getting rebalanced, as well as the SMT. And then for my entry, using that shift in structure on the 15-second, which was that inverse order block right there for entry. So yeah, that's a quick little trade breakdown. Like, comment, subscribe, and that's pretty much it. I'm gonna catch you guys.